For this method, I'm going to teach you how to pay your credit card bill through the online banking for HSBC. Keep in mind that there are various other ways in which you can pay your credit card bill that I'm going to show off at the end of the video. For the method of online banking, what you have to do is go over to the HSBC online banking website and log in using your password or username. After you log in using your credentials, hover over My Banking at the top and then select Pay or Transfer under the Move Money option. Whenever you go to the Pay or Transfer option, you will be able to initiate a new transaction. In there, simply select New Pay and input the information from which account you're transferring to a new payee and select Bill Payment as the payee type. Under the Find a View Payee, include the details about your credit card bill and follow the prompt on screen to instantly make the payment. Like I mentioned, you do have other options for one-off payments as I'm showing you on screen. You can also do this through the mobile banking app, online banking, which is the method I just presented to you, telephone banking, branch breaking, or payments from a non-HSBC account. Regardless of which options you pick, the steps are mostly the same, but I'll only be showing you how to visually do the online banking in this video. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay your credit card bill on HSBC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.